Hi, I'm Kent with Maven Roofing. Let's talk about what everyone's afraid to ask. How much is a new roof really going to cost in 2025? Well, it depends on the size of your home, the slope of your roof, and the materials you choose, or even local permitting processes. For example, a standard 2,000-foot home using architectural shingles might cost $14,000, but a steep roof or one using metal could easily push beyond $20,000. At Maven, we believe in giving you the full picture, not just a lowball estimate to get you in the door. Our proposal breaks down every cost: labor, materials, warranties, and even cleanup. You deserve to know where your money's going. Transparency is part of how we earn your trust, because the real question isn't just how much, it's who can I trust with this investment? If you want a clear, honest estimate for your roof, call us today for your free inspection.